Hello, welcome to Business Zero to Superhero, your one-stop shop for everything entrepreneurial. I'm Graham Jules, and in this video we'll be looking at how you can make passive income easily by staking on Cardano. Staking on Cardano is a process where holders of the cryptocurrency ADA delegate their coins to receive rewards from the network. Now, the massive advantage of staking in Cardano is your ADA never leaves your wallet. Your ADA is 100% safe. So what is Cardano? If you're new to cryptocurrency, you're probably wondering, what is Cardano? In short, Cardano is a proof-of-stake blockchain launched in 2017 by ex-Ethereum co-founder Charles Hoskinson. Much like cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, BTC, transactions are stored in a digital ledger which is called a blockchain. Unlike Bitcoin, however, transactions are not verified by CPU-intensive computer miners running complex algorithms to receive rewards. Instead, Cardano considers the amount of stake or ADA delegated to node operators, which are called stake pools, to dictate the amount of rewards that can be distributed to each pool. As a result, Cardano is often considered a less power-intensive crypto with greater green credentials. Security. As mentioned earlier, the unique feature of Cardano is that a user does not have to send their ADA or crypto anywhere to delegate to a specific pool. The ADA remains in the user wallet the whole time, and there's no need to lock up your ADA for any specific period of time at all. In fact, you can spend your ADA if you want shortly after delegating. You remain in full control. You are only recording a vote or a record of your desire to stake with that particular pool. You do not need to trust the stake pool to delegate to it, as you're not sending your ADA. Of course, reducing your ADA stake may mean your rewards will be reduced. Your rewards. The amount of rewards you'll get will depend on the individual stake pool operator. The stake pool operator will set the amount of fees and margin that is available to delegates like you. Now, each stake pool will usually advertise their current yield. Roughly every 5 days, called an epoch, the protocol will distribute 0.3% of its reserves to active stake pools that have successfully completed blocks on the blockchain. These rewards are shared by all delegates on each pool proportional to the amount of ADA staked. In this way, staking is a great way to make some passive income from your ADA with practically zero risk. Typical rewards are from 1% to 5% per annum. Now, some pools offer additional rewards for staking, such as additional tokens or NFTs, for example. Now, usually these additional rewards will be delivered via smart contract or manually via the stake pool operator themselves. So, how do you stake? Staking on Cardano is very easy. The process is as simple as logging into your Cardano-compatible wallet, such as Yoroi or Eternal, clicking on a drop-down and selecting the pool you wish to delegate to. In Yoroi, for example, simply click Delegation in the top right-hand corner. It should be noted that the NAMI wallet currently only allows delegation to its own pool. The ROA, or return of ADA annualized, is displayed, as are the costs associated with each particular pool. Then just browse or search for the pool you wish to delegate to and select Delegate, and that's it. Staking on a centralized exchange. Some centralized exchanges like Binance or Coinbase, for example, offer staking rewards via their platforms. You should be careful of using such options, as it means you'll need to keep your ADA stored on that particular exchange. In this case, the exchange has control of your ADA and is staking them on your behalf. If the exchange were to go bankrupt, you could lose all your ADA and your rewards. Staking on Cardano is so easy, there really is no excuse not to stake directly with the stake pool operator via your own wallet. That way, you are 100% certain your ADA is safe since it remains in your wallet at all times. Final thoughts. Staking on Cardano is very straightforward. Even a beginner to crypto should be able to stake their ADA with minimal risk. However, care should be taken to retain control of your ADA by only staking via the delegation list in your preferred wallet. Staking via a centralized exchange adds risk to the process as you do not retain control of your ADA. You can stake to our stake pool, the Pop-Up World Stake Pool, PUWSP, by going to www.popupworld.co.uk/popupworldstaking. Don't forget to like and subscribe on the bad boy below if you find this video useful. Also, check out the links for more info on Pop-Up World, the Pop-Up World token, and Pop-Up World staking. See you later.